Have you ever wondered how the Game Commission relocates a nuisance bear or how veterinarians deliver medication to a wild animal? NewDart has the answer.
We manufacture remote medicating equipment for wildlife and animal control industries. We've been in business since 1967, so we're in our 55th year. We work with ranchers and work with wildlife officers and biologists, and we create products that help make their lives a little bit easier. We have remote delivery devices, which are more commonly known as darts. And we have the projectors, which is the way to get that dart to the animal. So you'll see that as you walk through our facility today.
So our products are commonly used, I mentioned, in the three main industries. We either say it's sedation or medication. What's cool about manufacturing? To me, it's seeing firsthand, interacting with those customers, how our product really is a difference maker in their lifestyle.
So this is our assembly area out here, and what we do out here is we make all of our poly devices and all of our metal. After the firing pin, the spring's put in, the percussion cap's put on, and then it'll come over, and what the next step is, it gets a tail plug. And what that does is it gives it a hard backstop. Every tail that's built has to have an O-ring on it, and what that does is at the crimp, it'll seal it. So over here is what's called our island, and on our island, we make all of our poly bodies and our tails. For our pack line, they're doing a final inspection. They're checking to make sure the cannula is correct, the tail's correct, and to make sure it's a perfect product that's gonna go out to the customer.
Injection molding department at NewDart. So we start off with pellets. We mainly run like a polycarbonate blend and Santoprene, which is almost like a rubber. This machine's a little bit quicker, or this mold's a little bit quicker. This is that polycarbonate blend I was telling you about.
My favorite part about working here is we make a unique product for people that makes their lives a lot easier.
It's very interesting about manufacturing. There's a lot of different parts, and I think it's the innovation piece. Specific to us here at NewDart, we have the opportunity to make a difference every single day with the product that we provide, and it's so specific. And it really challenges us as individuals, as a team, to grow and create new products.